I don't have the balance I used to, so I picked up this Carex adjustable bath and shower seat, and I couldn't be happier with it. First off, it was super easy to put together. No tools needed. A few steps and that's it. This thing is extremely durable and well made, and it fits perfectly in my shower. I especially like the contoured seat and how wide it is. I really feel secure using it. The legs are made out of aluminum that flare out to prevent tipping. The legs also have rubber tips on the ends so the seat doesn't slip while you're using it. The chair and back are constructed with very strong plastic with easy to grip handles. Also has a molded area for handheld shower spray storage. It holds up to 350 pounds. You can also adjust the height of the seat from 14 to 20 inches high. You just push the button to raise or lower it. Real simple. I love this chair. It's given me back my independence.